Welcome back to Drive Dynamics, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Lexus LC500, a car that blends luxury, performance, and stunning design like few others can. The Lexus LC500 has always been a head-turner, and the 2025 model takes it to a whole new level. The sleek coupe maintains its signature low stance and aggressive front grille, but with subtle refinements that make it even more striking. The new LED headlight design gives it a sharper look, while the sculpted body lines flow seamlessly to enhance aerodynamics. Lexus has also introduced new color options, adding to the exclusivity of this grand tourer. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that feels like a masterpiece. High-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum create an environment that is both luxurious and driver-focused. The seats offer exceptional comfort, whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the car through tight corners. Lexus has updated the infotainment system with a larger touchscreen and improved software, ensuring seamless connectivity and a more intuitive user experience. The Mark Levinson premium sound system continues to deliver an immersive audio experience, making every drive even more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LC500 retains its legendary 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. This engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivers power smoothly and responsively, making for an exhilarating driving experience. The roar of the V8 is something that every car enthusiast will appreciate, adding to the emotional connection between driver and machine. The rear-wheel drive setup and adaptive suspension system ensure sharp handling without compromising ride comfort, making the LC500 a perfect blend of performance and luxury. Lexus has also refined the drive dynamics to make the LC500 even more engaging. The steering is more precise, and the chassis has been slightly tweaked to improve overall balance. Whether you're taking it on a spirited mountain drive or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, the LC500 delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. The available performance package adds features like a Torsen limited slip differential and active rear steering, further enhancing agility and control. Safety remains a priority, with Lexus equipping the LC500 with its latest suite of driver assist technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision system come standard, providing peace of mind while driving. The car's rigid chassis and advanced airbag system ensure maximum protection in case of an accident. With its breathtaking design, luxurious interior, and a naturally aspirated V8 that sings like a symphony, the 2025 Lexus LC500 continues to be one of the most desirable grand tourers on the market. It's a car that excites the senses and delivers a truly special driving experience. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Lexus LC500. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content, only on Drive Dynamics.